Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. And today I wanted to show you guys how you can help contribute to the website and the code without knowing how to code or without even downloading any programs. So you know how I use VS Code, I use ConEmu, I use a bunch of other programs like Mongo, the database for example itself. You can help contribute without even having to install any of that simply by having a GitHub account. So today I wanted to show you how we can change a simple text like this. So here we have waiting for 3 to assassinate Merlin or Tristan and Isolde or Isolde. And what we want to change it to is waiting for 3 to assassinate someone. Let's make it like that. Waiting for 3 to assassinate. Actually, let's do that. So first off, we need to create an account on GitHub. And so after you've done your account creation, you should have a window like this. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go look for Pro Avalon. And here we have it. We can star it if we want to find it easier. We can then go to Profile Your Stars to find all your favorite repositories quickly. And then into here, what we're going to do is we're going to try and fork this. So at the top here you see fork. At the moment there's 9 people who forked it. We just want to click that. And what this will do is it will create a copy of Pro Avalon onto this GitHub account. And I have not verified my email, so just give me 1 second. And here we can see it's now forking in. And we're done. So now you can see that this Pro Avalon is under our new account's username, and it's forked from my original account. So what we can do now is we can try and find that piece of text. So where would this be? There's only 2 places I can think of, or 3 places. One is the assassin role, one is the assassination phase, and the last one would be on the client side. So let's just start from the top. So the first one, let's take a look at gameplay. Let's look at Avalon. Let's look at roles. So we want to check the assassin first, and let's check assassin. So here's the assassin file. And let's see, there's a special phase, there's some text. So here we can also change the description if we wanted to, for example. Change the order priority, change these. These I wouldn't touch, these is, yeah. So quickly looking through it, I don't see anything with that text in it. The other thing we could do is we can highlight a piece of text that doesn't change, for example, waiting for. Let's Control C and then Control F to try and find it. And no, there's nothing starting with waiting for. So let's go back out into the phases now. Assassination, waiting for, there we go. Waiting for, username of assassin, to assassinate Merlin, Tristan, or Isolde. Cool. So now we want to change this. We want to say waiting for someone to assassinate. So now what we need to do is we need to try and edit it. So at the top of the page, you see this edit this file. Let's click on that. Let's scroll all the way to the down, all the way to the bottom. Control F again. Here we go. Waiting for username of assassin to assassinate. Period. And believe it or not, that's it. Well, pretty much. So now we need to add a commit change. So let's just say renamed assassination. How do you spell assassination? Assassination phase text. Now just before we do that, I also want to take a look at what the actual assassin sees. So here we have index of assassin. If the index of the player is the same as the assassin, it says shoot Merlin, right? And so if I log on to or check out the assassin account, it indeed says shoot Merlin, right? So let's just make this assassinate. Choose someone to assassinate. Let's do that. So choose someone to assassinate. Cool. And that's cool. Now we could create a new branch. So let's just do that. pkk922 hyphen assassination rename text. Propose file change. And now simply with that one change, we can now open a pull request. So what we've done is, if we open up a new page of our code, we have a branch here. This is our new branch. We can click our branches through here, or we can select it through here, and we can check it out. So we click on this, and it has one extra commit. This is one extra commit. Renamed assassination phase text. You can check it out yourself. These are what's changed in it. Yeah, so just these 2 lines. And immediately we could open a pull request back into the original repository for me to accept. Otherwise, you can commit directly to the master branch and then later on make a pull request. So we can also do that. But since we've already done this and we've already committed it, let's not commit directly again. So we can simply go back to ProOwler, and our commit is still here. Sorry, we're in the wrong branch. So let's take a look at this branch. And now if we didn't want to immediately push, or sorry, make a pull request, and we wanted to make some more changes. So for example, what else can we change? I know what we can change. We can change the log, the change log. So if we go into the log here, this is what we see right now. Let's update that. So let's go back to our GitHub, and this is located in views because it's a separate page. You can see it's a /new page. There's one for each page, and inside there we have log.ejs, and this is what we see here. And let's edit this, and then let's copy this, and let's paste this. Make sure our tabs are correct. And today is the 2nd of December. And simply just follow the format that I have below. We can get rid of that. We can change this inside text, and we'll just say fixed renamed some text for assassination phase. Cool. Now we can also commit this. Sorry, never mind. GitHub online editor only allows one commit, one file change per commit, and one file change per branch. So let's just do this and say assassination rename log branch. Okay, let's just do that. Propose file change. And let's immediately make this pull request. So updated log.ejs, yep, okay, that's fine, because we're just updating that one log. And we'll create a pull request. And oops, I clicked too quickly. Let's take a look at this slowly. So if we're here, we want to merge this branch into that branch. So let's say we want to merge the log into the text. Or yeah, let's just do that. Log into the text. So make a log into the text, and let's make this pull request. Okay, now that was on our local branch, on our local repository. So this is our own repository. We now have this. We can now accept this. So if we'd like to, we can check it and we can make a pull request, and we can merge it, and then this pull request will disappear. Now if we go back to our repository, we'll see that we have more branches. The one that we want to do now is this one, rename text, and I spelled it incorrectly there. But now since we've we've merged the pull request, this branch now has that in as well. So now we have 3 commits. Now let's say I'm happy with my changes, and then I want to push it up to the main repository. What we can do is, there's 2 ways to do this, or a couple ways. First of all, we can compare and pull requests. And here we go. Base fork, so I can merge it back into VCK 3000, which is the main one, and into my master. So the master branch, from assassination rename text. And so let's just say the pull request name is assassination rename text, and let's properly spell this. And we'll just say renamed some text for assassination phase. Done. Create pull request. And that's it. We're done. Now if I go over to my side, my view, I'm over here, I can press F5 to refresh, and my pull request, I have a new one coming in. I can click on this and I can see it. Assassination rename text just opened now by pkvk912. I can open this up, I can check what's changed, I can see the description, I can see the files changed, and I can see, okay, so he's just changed this to this, and this to this. And he's also updated the changelog a bit, and it looks correct. So I'm happy with that. Now I can go back to conversation. If I have issues, I can talk to you, type a comment. Otherwise, I can just merge the pull request. confirm merge, and we're done. Easy. So that pull request is finished now. That will go into the close tab, and now inside my Pro Avalon, inside my code, you can check out the views, the changelog. It'll be updated. Here we go. Rename some text, and of course the other changes will be in there too. And then the next time I push up the server, it'll be updated on the main server. Cool. So that was pretty much how you can help contribute code and contribute to the site without even needing to install anything or without even needing to really code. You just need to have some basic idea of where files might be located. And if you guys can't find it, just throw me a message on Discord. I'll be able to help you out. Yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.